Do you get sick of spending all day scrubbing your floors? Well, today we're diving into the world of robotic vacuums that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. But which ones truly stand out from the rest? Join us as we explore the top 5 robotic vacuums and their cutting-edge features, sleek designs, and powerful suction capabilities that make these robotic vacuums a must-have for any modern home. Let's start. Number 1. iRobot Roomba J7. The iRobot Roomba J7 is an exceptional cleaning companion designed specifically for pet owners. With a price tag of $599, this intelligent vacuum offers an impressive array of features. It has advanced obstacle detection capabilities that allow it to navigate around pat waste and cords, ensuring a seamless cleaning experience. Additionally, it has a self-emptying bin that can automatically dispose of dirt and debris for up to 60 days, providing unparalleled convenience. The Roomba J7 is powered by iRobot OS, which enables it to learn and adapt to your home environment. This allows you to schedule multiple cleanings throughout the day, according to your preferences. It is equipped with precision vision navigation, a cutting-edge technology that enables it to identify and avoid common objects in its path. Let's discuss its impressive cleaning power. This vacuum features a powerful 3-stage cleaning system that delivers 10 times the powerlifting suction, ensuring thorough cleaning on various floor types. Furthermore, it incorporates a clean base automatic dirt disposal system, where it automatically empties its contents, eliminating the hassle of manual emptying. It's even compatible with Alexa and Google Home devices. Number 2. Shark RVAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. We have the Shark RVAI Ultra Robot Vacuum, priced at $450. This powerful vacuum is equipped with exceptional suction power, capable of tackling even the most stubborn messes on any floor surface. One standout feature is its Matrix Clean navigation system, which ensures comprehensive coverage during cleaning. By using a precise matrix grid, it meticulously cleans dirt and debris, leaving no spots untouched. Additionally, its self-emptying base can hold up to 60 days worth of dirt and debris, providing hassle-free maintenance. The vacuum's true HEPA filtration system captures and traps 99.97% of dust, allergens, pet hair, and dander, making it ideal for pet owners. With hands-free control through Amazon, Alexa, or Google Assistant, you can easily schedule cleaning sessions or initiate on-demand cleaning. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, this vacuum can handle thorough home cleaning. Number 3. Eufy RoboVac G30. Eufy RoboVac G30, available at an affordable price of $175. This robot vacuum offers excellent cleaning performance with its dynamic navigation, 2.0 and 2000 pascal suction power. It effectively cleans various surfaces and outperforms random path robotic vacuums due to its path tracking sensor, which enables purposeful cleaning. The Eufy RoboVac G30 also provides convenient app control, allowing you to manage all your cleaning needs directly from your smartphone. You can even access the cleaning history to track when and where your RoboVac has cleaned. Number 4. iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba Robot Vacuum, priced at $180. This vacuum is designed to simplify your vacuuming tasks through personalized cleaning suggestions powered by iRobot OS's unique intelligence. The Roomba 694 features a 3-stage cleaning system that effectively lifts dirt, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Its edge-sweeping brush allows it to clean corners and edges efficiently. With the patented Dirt Detect technology, the Roomba 694 identifies dirtier areas in your home and ensures thorough cleaning. Using the iRobot Home app or voice assistants like Alexa, you can easily schedule cleanings or initiate on-demand cleaning. The Roomba adapts to different floor surfaces, including hardwood and carpets, thanks to its auto-adjust cleaning head. Equipped with advanced sensors, it navigates under and around furniture, while the Cliff Detect feature prevents it from falling downstairs. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, it automatically recharges when necessary, providing you with a consistently clean home. Number 5. iLife A9 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The iLife A9 Robot Vacuum Cleaner priced at an amazing $90. Despite its affordable price, this vacuum offers a wide range of features. The A9 Robot Vacuum uses PanaView navigation to systematically navigate rooms and ensure no areas are missed. You can easily operate the vacuum from your phone using the Wi-Fi connected app, providing convenience at your fingertips. One standout feature of the iLife A9 is its cellular dustbin design, which reduces the need for frequent filter replacements and dustbin cleaning. It also includes an electro-roll feature that allows you to restrict the robot from cleaning specific areas, giving you full control. With multiple cleaning modes like Path, Spot, Max, and Edge modes, the iLife A9 can handle various cleaning tasks effortlessly. It comes with all the essential accessories you need, and the warranty duration varies depending on whether it's a new or refurbished robot. Conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the end of our list featuring the top 5 robotic vacuums. Now, let's proceed with our recommendations. If you are a pet owner seeking the ultimate cleaning experience, the iRobot Roomba J7 is the ideal choice. With its pet waste avoidance, smart mapping, and powerful cleaning system, this vacuum will keep your home spotless. For those who prioritize powerful suction and comprehensive cleaning coverage, the Shark RVAI Ultra Robot Vacuum is an excellent option. Its impressive suction power, true HEPA filtration, and precise home mapping ensure a thorough clean every time. If you are on a budget but still desire a dependable robot vacuum, the Eufy RoboVac G30 is the perfect choice. It offers dynamic navigation, strong suction, and app control, impressing users with its cleaning performance. Remember, you can find the links to these products in the video description below. By utilizing those links, you will enjoy the convenience of Amazon's reliable service. That concludes today's video. We hope this list assists you in making an informed decision when selecting the right robotic vacuum for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching and happy cleaning!